Number 5, you're going to solve the system by substitution. Let's look at A here. We have y equals to x and y equals to 2x minus 8. Notice this is already, number 1 here, this is already solved. Okay? So that is good. So we're going to use that. Here's the second equation. But remember what x is. X is equal to y, or y is equal to x. So I can erase it. And I can now put in a y. That is that substitution. Now I can solve. Okay. I can minus 2x to both sides. This is going to cancel, leaving me here y minus 2y becomes negative 1y equals to negative 8. Now I can divide by negative 1, divide by negative 1. This cancels, leaving me with a y equals to 8. But I know that y is equal to x. So I can just replace the y with an 8. And that's how I get my solution of 8 is equal to x. So my solution is in an order pair of 8 for the x value, comma 8 for the y value. Let's look at B here. We already see that the first one is already solved. So we're going to use the first one here. This is the second equation. X plus 8y is equal to 1. But rather than put a y, we are now going to put in that value of parentheses negative 7y. Okay? Oh, sorry. So where x is where I put the negative 7y. So the x is right here. I erase that and put the negative 7y. Okay? Right? Now I can see negative 7y plus 8y. That becomes 1y. Okay? That equals to 1. So y is equal to 1. Now I would like to know what x is. So I can go back to the first equation of y equals to negative 7y. And now I can make that substitution of y becoming the number 1. Or 1, right? Yep, 1. And then I can do the multiplication. Negative 7 times 1 is negative 7. So the answer in an order pair would be parentheses negative 7 comma 1. All right. Next, C. Okay, we see that this is already solved. So I'm going to use it. Here is the second equation, 7x plus y is equal to negative 3. I'm going to erase the y and make that substitution. So here's the y. And now I'm going to substitute. Okay, negative 6x minus 7. All right. So we can just imagine there's a 1 here. We distribute it. It's just 7x minus 6x minus 7 is equal to negative 3. 7x minus 6x becomes 1x minus 7 is equal to negative 3. We always simplify before trying to solve. Then I'm going to add 7 to both sides. This does cancel, leaving you with just a 1x or just x. Negative 3 plus 7, it is a 4. I want to know what my y value is. So I'm going to use my first equation here of negative y equals to negative 6x minus 7. I'm going to make that substitution because I know x is the number 4. All right. Negative 6 times 4 is negative 24. And this is a minus 7 equals to y. All right. And I get negative 24 minus 7. That becomes a negative 31, I believe. Okay. So the solution here, it is 4 comma negative 31. All right. So there you go. That is how you solve the system by substitution.